Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to Mathsdrive. Here on this channel, we will learn about various mathematical concepts in a very easy and engaging way. So please hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you never miss any engaging video. Today our topic is finding unknown angles in a given diagram. Students, remember, whenever there is a straight line, the angle on a straight line must be equal to 180 degrees. So this angle will be 180 degree, this angle will be 180 degree, and this angle will also be equal to 180 degree. So whenever there is a straight line, the angle must be on it will be 180 degree. So we will say all these angles on the straight lines, on the first line, second line, third line, the angle is equal to, the total angle over here is equal to 180 degree. So if I break down this angle in two parts, for instance, I have made it a line over here. So now I have two angles over here. One is over here, which is this one, and the other is this one. So I have break this angle in two parts. The total is obviously 180, but I have break down this one in two parts. This one I told you this is 35 degree. So what will be the other angle over here? I mark this as X. So how to find this angle which is unknown on this diagram? So it will be very easy, because we know that the line is straight, so the angle on it must be 180 degree. So the unknown angle we will find by subtracting from 180 the 35, because X will be equal to 180 degree minus 35 degree. So what will be the answer? 10 minus 5 will give you 5, 7 minus 3 4, and 1. So this angle X is equal to 145 degree. So we use the property that the straight line is always having the angle 180 degree. By this property we subtracted this smaller angle and find the bigger angle. In the same way, all these angles which are on a straight line will be 180 degree. If the angle is split down in 2 or 3 parts, we can easily find out the remaining or the unknown angle. For instance, if I break down this line, this straight line, like this one, so this is I made like this, and the other I again break it down, this is 20 degree. So what will be this one which is in the middle? So again I know the total is 180 degree. This sign shows that this is 90 degree and this is given 20 degree. Only this one is left. So total is 180. So what I need to do? I will write X is equal to, total is 180. I will subtract 90 and also I will subtract 20 degree. So 180 minus 90 will give me 90 degree, and 90 minus 20, finally the answer will be 70 degree. So the answer over here, the unknown angle over here, X is equal to 70 degree. So it is very easy. Whenever we are having a straight line, we will subtract all the angles which are making over here from the 180, and the unknown angle we can easily find out. Now let's see another example. Here in this diagram we can see that there is a straight line, this one. The angle over here must be 180 degree. This one angle will be 180 degree, and the angle over here is also equals to 180 degree. So if a straight line is there, the angle at the top and angle at the bottom must be 180 degree. So this is 180 degree because it is a straight line, and the bottom one, this one is also 180 degree, but two angles are cut down from it. So to find the unknown angle X over here, what we need to do, we will write X is equal to 180 degree minus 30, again minus 30. These two angles will be subtracted from it. So what will be the answer? 180 minus 30, 150. 150 minus 30 will give us 120 degree. So the angle X is equal to 180 degree, 120 degree. Okay. Now we will do some other examples when there is not a straight line, then what to do? Here in this diagram we can see that here is a point and there is a total angle in the round shape. We can see that the angle starts from here and it is completed over here. It is a complete circle, so this is called angle at a point. So at one point, if the complete circle is made, it is total angle is always equal to 360 degree. So what we need to do in this case, we will find out the unknown angle. We will subtract from 360 degree. All the angles over here we will subtract from 360 degree. For instance, the first angle over here is 140. So we will subtract 140 from here, then 40 degree, then 45 degree. So we will subtract all these angles one by one, or in the other way we can add all these angles and subtract from 360 degree. So 360 minus 140 will give you 220 degree, and 220 minus 40 again 180 degree, 180 minus 45 135. So the angle over here will be 135 degree. So in this way angle Y will be equal to 135 degree. So in this diagram we learned that if the angle is at a point and they are making a circle, so the total angle must be equal to 360 degree. So from the 360 we will subtract all the given angles so that we can find out the unknown angle in between this circle. In this diagram, the angle at a point, we can see that it is making a complete circle. We can start from here and we are completing over here. It is making a complete circle, so it is again 360 degree. So angle W equal to 360. And how much is cut down from 360? 65 is cut down. Only one angle is cut down. So 360 minus 65, we will subtract it. So we will get 295 degree. So angle W will be equal to 295. Here in this diagram we can see the total angle is in the form of a circle at a point. All the angles are raising from this point. All the angles are making on this point. So from 360 angle X, for angle X we will 360 subtract 150 minus 90. So first of all we will subtract 360 minus 150. It will give you 210 minus 90. It will give you 120. So the finally your answer is 120 degree. So in this way we can find out the unknown angles. Now in the next video we will learn about the vertically opposite angles and much more. Thank you students.